Never throw the toilet paper roll again. Today, I'm going to teach you a super useful tip that you can do at home. I assure you that when you know this, you will not throw the toilet paper roll again. Here I have a toilet paper roll that has no more paper. Instead of throwing it away, I will do something that will surprise you. Although it has no paper, this toilet paper roll will be very useful, and now you will see why. To do this, I will need the toilet paper roll and also 2 empty plastic bottles of 500 milliliters. I will also use a knife and scissors. The first thing you should do is cut the bottles in half just as I show you on the screen. The knife must be sharp so that it can be cut easily. After cutting both bottles in half, you will only take the bottom part of the bottles, since we will only use these parts. Then place the roll on the side of the bottle in this way and trace with a marker. Then cut this part of both bottles with a knife or scissors. Cutting it will take a little time, but don't despair. I assure you that it will be worth it. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me so that I can send you a special greeting in our next videos. Once you have finished cutting both bottles, put them in parallel in this way and put the roll in both holes. Now put your cell phone right on top of the roll and trace with a marker just as I show you on the screen. Then cut that part with a knife or scissors. I will put a video on the cell phone and I will put it at maximum volume so that you can see how it is heard. Now I will put it inside the hole that we had cut. As you surely noticed, the sound is heard much louder and clearer. What we did here is a homemade sound amplifier. It is ideal for camping days or for those who do not have headphones or do not like them. Do it at home and then come back here and let me know how it turned out. I'm sure you will be delighted with the result. Today's special greeting is for Angelica Maldonado from Chile and for Patricio Lopez from Spain. Thanks for watching our videos.